Hey everyone, welcome to another new episode. In this video, I'll show you how I repaired this broken badminton racket and restored it to a like new. One side of the head frame has come out from the throat part of this bat and the shaft and handle have completely broken and separated. Let's start today's video. I hope you will benefit from watching the whole video without skipping. I first separated the other side of the head frame from the throat. Although this throat is good, but with it the shaft and handle have completely broken and separated. So I collected another one from a broken bat that has a good shaft and handle. Now I took out the grommet tube from its throat, which works like a locker. Now I am taking out the pieces of the broken head frame. I hit it with a gas lighter to soften the glue on the throat and grommet tube so that the broken pieces of the head frame can be easily taken out. Now that the throat is completely clean, it is ready to be used in my restoration video today. I inserted the head frame into the throat and checked that everything was connected properly. I inserted tissue paper into the hole in the head frame up to the third grommet. By inserting the tissue paper like this, the glue that I will use later will stick to the tissue paper in that part. As a result, the glue will stick tightly to the throat at the joint part of the head frame. To stick the head frame to the throat, I took M-Seal glue. I took equal parts of this glue and mixed it very well. After mixing the glue, I filled both ends of the head frame and the throat. I flattened both heads of an iron nail. I placed the flattened nail in equal parts from the throat to the head frame. After applying glue to all the necessary holes, I tied the two ends of the head frame with string so that it was completely pressed into the throat. Before the glue hardened, I made a hole in the throat with a nail to easily insert the grommet or plastic tube and locked it with a grommet. After completing the entire job properly, I waited for about 3 hours for the glue to harden. After 3 hours, the racket was ready for stringing. I added a fresh set of tight strings. Now the bat is ready to play. Then, I played well using the restored bat. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome DIY repairs and restorations.